Hi, let's learn how to change the PHP version in CPanel. Open your browser, log into your CPanel. In my case, it's located here. Just log into it with your username and password. Okay, I have a domain set up at this account. It's moderatorweb.com. It's an empty website with no file in it. Let me show you. Okay, it's located in this folder, moderator web. Okay, let's create a first file. Let's limit file info.php. As we want to change the version of the PHP, we will need to know what's the current version of PHP it's running. So we have created a PHP file, and let me do some custom coding for the PHP info function. You can just copy paste. I will get it in the comments. I will paste it in the comments, and you can just copy paste it and create a file like this. Save changes. Okay, so let's see if this file opens or not. Okay, so here's our version PHP 7.3. Now I want to change it to PHP version something else like 8. Let's see what versions do we have. Go to the select PHP version. Taking a bit little. Should I refresh it? Yeah, it got stuck. Okay, it went to the PHP selector, and you can change the versions here. Now this is the cloud Linux version for PHP selector, and moderator web is already on cloud Linux PHP selector. So if your host has installed cloud Linux PHP selector, this change will only work then. This will show only when they have cloud Linux installed. If they doesn't have cloud Linux installed, you can go to multi PHP manager. This is the one that comes with the CPanel. The difference between two is that this is the default one and comes when you have installed WHM, the control panel for managing these websites, and this cloud Linux is external PHP support that comes when you pay for cloud Linux. It's almost $10 per month, and it has some features of extensions that you can enable, like file info and the popular ones that are required by WordPress. So it's convenient. In our case, we will just first try to change with the multi PHP manager moderator web. So it's showing 7.33, so it's actually showing from the PHP selector. Look, as we show here, the moderator web has been sent to the alt means PHP selector cloud Linux version. The EA version means easy Apache that comes with the CPanel. So in case we want to change it to PHP 8.1, which is not supported by cloud Linux yet, as it only supports up till 8.0, let's change it to the native 8.1 from here. This native means it's the easy Apache version, as we shown you here, that we have set here. When we select native, it means that you have reverted back to the multi PHP manager, which is managed by the WHM itself. Okay, it's now let's refresh it. Okay, it's showing PHP version 8.1. Fantastic. It might have some extensions installed and might not have others, because in cloud Linux you can easily manage the extensions yourself, but when you are using the easy Apache version, the extensions are installed by the moderator, the system administrator, and you can only use the extensions they have enabled or installed. In case you want to enable or install extensions by yourself, then you have to change back to the multi PHP version to select PHP version like this. Now you can enable any website you like. 8.0 and the extensions are showing that are enabled here, right? Thank you.